1000 broke. We had some room to run for both profit percent and the loss percent. This is the loss percent, so we said that it can reach this area, and this is the profit percent. We said that it can reach this area. So now if you look at the present chart, so before looking at the present chart, we because of this, when 53k was lost, and because of the loss because of this chart, we were able to identify the dump. We mentioned in our Discord that if walls on BTC to watch if 53k is lost. This was the wall around 42k. Please watch the on-chain report for levels. Below is one level for your quick reference, the great wall at 40k. So we will eyeing 40k's 5 hours before the dump. And now this is the same chart, this chart. Now I'll just change the colors. So now we see that PNL supply profit percent against PNL supply loss percent, that we have reached closer to the bottom structures for both of them. This is the area where we make the bottom structure. Last time we made 29k to 30k bottom structure here. These are the realized losses. This spiked to 800 million per day, similar to significant sell-offs in April and July, but they are much lower than the May levels. This suggests a reasonable flush out of spot top buyers has occurred, but it does not rule out a little bit of more downside while creating this bottom. I am expecting it to sweep the lows, the recent lows which have been made, and structure out here a bit and make this entry difficult. So we will be aware that there could be spikes down at the local bottom, and which can make this entry difficult. This is the BTC exchange whale ratio. So what we were seeing was, this is only reflecting BitMEX, and we have seen that I've been observing BitMEX, and there appears to be a big whale there which is causing huge dumps. So we saw this dump, now here also we saw this dump, and still it is very high. So but we are also seeing that the supply is being absorbed and they are buying the dips. Whales are dumping the peaks and they are buying when the dump has happened, and we see that coins are exchanging hands from short-term holders to the whales and smart money, as we had seen in our previous charts. But still it is a sign to not take leveraged positions and find some spot entries at close to the local bottom. So if we see all these metrics in combination to each other, what I am looking at is the sweep of the recent lows of bottom formation. Some chart pattern formation will be expected, and I'll be looking out for that.